This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Plug the HP all-in-one into AC power and wake the screen so brightness changes apply correctly. Open Windows Settings, go to System then Display, and locate the brightness slider. This is the primary, fastest control. Also identify physical bezel buttons and any FN key marked with a sun icon. They act directly on the panel. Knowing these 3 control points lets you pick the fastest method. Once done, move to precise adjustments and driver checks. Now refine brightness and contrast. Use the Windows slider for quick, broad changes, then open your Graphics Control Panel, Intel Graphics Command Center or NVIDIA Control Panel, to edit gamma, contrast, and color temperature. This explains why images look dim even at high brightness. If the display jumps, disable adaptive brightness in Power Options so tests remain stable. Make sure the display driver is current. Outdated drivers often block the slider or cause flicker. Once stable, proceed to final saves and calibration. Finish by calibrating and saving. Run the Windows Display Color Calibration tool to match brightness with color and save the profile so results persist. Create or edit a power plan to set separate brightness values for battery versus plugged-in. This prevents automatic drops. If the brightness slider is missing or controls are unresponsive, update the display adapter driver, check for OEM monitor drivers, and run HP Support Assistant. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues. If problems persist, restart and recheck hardware buttons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.